Piston Recycle here. It's K-Dawg. No dad. Because he's working and he's lame. So we're going to make ourselves useful. And put together the Sandblaster for Grace to take the paint off of her because it's time to paint. We also have this. It's conditioner. Does the same thing. Takes paint off the car. And yeah. I have no clue what I'm doing. But some things come with instructions. My CEO is behind the camera. He's gonna pop in the frame now because I said his name. Dad has a CEO. I have my own CEO because I'm special and I'm K-Dawg, so I get my own CEO. He's leaving the building though. His name is Baker. I love him. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can put this together, and if we mess it up, it's my fault anyway because I'm building it. Yeah, I guess get started. I have my leveling instructions. This is the inspo pick, you know. Ladies gotta have our inspo picks so we know what we're doing. So, come along the journey as I might crash out doing this. All right. Ugly sound. Absolutely not. What do you mean secure with a cotter pin? There is no cotter. There is cotter pins. Yeah, that worked. This is my first solo video, and I decided that I would just do it because I have nothing better to do with my day because I'm out of school. Yeah. Oh. I thought we put the legs on correctly. Alright. Yay! It's done now. Okay. Let's see. Said the blind man. Safety. What does that look like? This maybe? This looks right. If I look at the picture. So this tape is supposed to keep the air in, and Padre told me to keep putting it on everything. So if I don't put it on the right things, oh well. I'll be safe than sorry. Use this stuff for our pool. have this feeling in Temtem that this is supposed to go there. Because I don't see it anywhere else. It's not anywhere. Oh, wait. Pause. Oh, no, I don't see it anywhere else. Right. Found stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh, right. You know, it'd help if it was straight on the thing instead of diagonal, Kendall. Awesome. Alright, next step. To prevent serious energy and bathroom explosion, do not thread anything other than the safety valve into the hole provided at the top of the tank. Really? No, really. Okay. Thread the pipe 7. What's pipe 7? You know, it gives me numbers, but it doesn't tell me. There's no numbers on it. What do you mean? 7 into T connector. Why does it gotta make instructions so weird? What number? 7. There is no. Oh, I found numbers. My dad doesn't even use instructions anyway. That's why most of his things fall apart. Alright, now we're the same things here. Beans. So this is number 7. This is what it wants us to do. And number 8, which is... Which one is it? I think it's this, but I could also be wrong. Oh, nope, it's this. All right, this and the top hole. It's so cold. Okay, top hole. Why is it so much better on when you have the tape on it? That's good enough. All right. Let's see, and then thread the air inlet. Yeah, I don't go by names. I go by numbers, sweetheart. So, what are the numbers? It says 10. Where's the 10? 10 does not seem to be on the list. What do you mean? Oh. Wait. Oh, there's my tape. Probably should do that. Anywho. Wait. Okay. Well, there's air valve and there's air inlet. So would this be 10? And then this be 11? Well, there's 11 and wait. 11 and, yeah. These are all on and off switch. I don't think it matters which one you use because there's 4 of them and they're all identical, so I don't think it matters. Oh! Let's see. So like, I think, I don't know if it goes under or over, but hi. There's a thing that goes on top of this, and then there's a thing that goes on the bottom of it. There's a pipe that goes out. A part of me feels like this goes inside here. I think I figured it out. Maybe, maybe not. We're gonna find out here in 2 seconds. Shut up! I can't get this unscrewed. Uh-oh, spaghettios. Oh, woohoo! So, I think, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I just, I'm gonna keep this screwed in. Just because I think, yeah, I just went through all that time to unscrew it. Anywho, air inlet. This thingy, bobber, yeah, this thing, and then take. I'm just gonna follow this picture and see what happens. Cause I mean, yeah. All right. So then this, take this. It's supposed to be up like this. I'm assuming they want it like this. Off. Right. That's why it's up. Screw it. I feel like I'm doing a project, and then my teacher's gonna come and see what I'm doing and grade my putting together skills. Oh my gosh! Rough. Can't make it even harder to rip off. Why does it go on? It's so much easier when you don't have the tape on it. Like, be for real. I feel like I should put something. BRB. Oh, wrong way. Okay, I think that's as tight as it's gonna go. Just making sure it's tight, even though my dad can just tighten it if he wants to. Oh, the wind did not like me. medium. Sir. Okay. Moving on. Then we take this baby and more tape. This whole video is just gonna be me putting tape on things. Well, this isn't really tape. It's more like, okay, it's tape. It's just not sticky like tape usually is. Straight. Purr. Why do I keep screwing it the wrong way? Okay. Booyakasha. This thingy goes into that. Little cracking break for you. There you go. I wouldn't be able to do that if my father was here because he hates the sound of it. He's like, it's not annoying. Girl, it is not. It's satisfying. Anywho, back to this. Okay. So, put more tape. Because I think this is the more important part because, you know, there's the on and off valves. CO's back in the house. This house, not that house, with the boring people who work. This house, where we have fun. Oh no! There we go. Purr! That was the best rip ever. Okay, so, preperation. Doesn't matter what side this is, because it has the same thing on both sides. Oh, no, wait, hold on. I think it goes this way, because the arrow. Thread the other side of the blanket. The water trap filter. 20. So this traps water. Yeah. There's an arrow, so we're gonna go with the arrow. Whatever the arrow says, we'll do. That's not the other CEO. That's not my CEO. That's my CEO's assistant. See, we're gonna use this to do everything. Oh yeah, screw it on. Purr. All right. Then another thingy-mabobbery, which we're gonna put more tape. Let's see if I can do this like perfect. We should be like a pro at this by this point. Brother. Not a pro at this. Okay. We're looking like something. Yay. Okay. Anywho. Oh my. Alright, so let's see, we need to get a little bit more tape. circle here. I think we use, no. Well, I don't know what this is for yet. So, we'll figure that out. So, we'll figure that out. Where'd that other box go? Did I just now have another? Oh, that was in the box. Okay, hang on. Alright. Where was I? Oh. I don't know what that is. So, where does that go? I really have like this, I think it's this. I really do. I think this goes like sideways. I think this is gonna go sideways. I'm looking at the big air thingy we have over here because it kind of looks similar. Oh, don't mess with that. Okay. Thread. Okay. I really think it's like, what did I do the beginning part for? Oh, it is this, and then does it go? It's supposed. Did I miss a step? Oh. I want left alone. Nope, don't turn it. Purr! Oh, no, don't cover the hole. There we go. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we got it now. Maybe. Gotta just get this to screw in. So it's supposed to be like that. I think. Yeah. So it'd be like that, and then you put this little doohickey on the top. Nope, not on the top. Hold on. Oh, it's supposed to be the bottom, so this flips. Hopefully. I don't really, yeah. That'd be really funny if I didn't put tape on this and it just went, Choom! And everybody would look at me and be like, I wonder who put that together. So I would rather be safe than sorry, so it can't be my fault if I put precautions. shop. It's at our homepage on YouTube. While you're there, subscribe. You can get t-shirts, hoodies, flannels. Like sometimes you can work outside with them. I don't know which ones those are called. My dad wears them. He knows. We've already had a couple orders. We're good. We need to keep them coming because we love the support. I love the support. Got to pay for my college somehow. You can also get hats and beanies in colors. For the beanies, you can't get my hot pink because hot pink's for K-Dawg. Nobody else can have hot pink. So, yeah, there's my commercial break. We'll get some merch. And let's continue boring ourselves doing this. Honestly, I've never built something like this, so I guess it is kind of fun. It's a learning experience. So, and guess what? If we don't do it right, then it's okay because this is our first time doing it. I'm a beginner. It's trial and error. All right.
What are you doing in there, K-Dawg?
Building this for you.
Building this.
Yeah, putting it together. Trying to.
You just want to use that thing, don't you?
Yeah. So we can paint Grace.
Well, you figured all this out.
Yeah, I undid it a bunch of times.
Ha! Well, if it's not right,
It's my fault.
it's K-Dawg's fault.
I hate these.
Shut off valves.
They're annoying. Because I put them on backwards sometimes and then it doesn't fit. Alright, we got it finished. It's finally done. And then we're gonna have my dad just check it, see what I got, what grade I got here. You know, it's like I'm getting graded. But yeah, we finally got it done. Everything's hooked up to the best of the ability I can hook it up, considering I didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, next probably we're gonna sand this on the hood and get the paint off so we can start painting. Since last video you saw that Grace can now run. She can purr. So thanks for watching, everybody, and come in.